How to use Facebook Marketplace shipping feature. To use the Facebook Marketplace shipping feature, first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on this, all you have to do is now open the shortcuts tab over here by tapping the see more option, then tap the marketplace option from here. Now you simply have to scroll down until you find the sale option, or you should be able to switch the sale option from the upper navigation bar. Once you switch to this, all you have to do is now select the items. Once you select the items, you have to proceed to fill out your standard product details and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap the delivery method. Select the shipping only or shipping and local pickup. Once you set it to this, you will also find the select who pays option. Toggle between the buyer pays or seller pays. Want to do this, input the package rate and tap publish. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.